In today's video, I'll show you on how you can stop hearing yourself in VoiceMeeter, or how to fix hearing yourself on the application right here. Basically, it's really simple to fix this problem. Inside this page, we have two buttons to simply choose from. This is basically our microphone, and if you're hearing yourself, this only means that you have this specific button turned on. Basically, for the first one, which is going to be the B button, this means that people are going to hear us. If I turn this off, you won't be able to hear me right here. And if I turn it back on, you will be able to hear me once again. As you can see, my microphone is gaining the proper audio right here, but you cannot hear me. You always want to make sure to turn this specific option on. But if you're hearing yourself, this means that the A button is also turned on. With this one, you'll be able to simply hear yourself. Now, if I turn this on, it will then go ahead and echo, "Hello, mic test." You always want to make sure to turn this off. And if you're still hearing yourself, you also want to do the same thing for the virtual input. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.